Chaz Narayani Continental. Find calm amidst the hustle. Do you want to experience the feeling of bliss and posh ambience at the same time? Narayani Continental Gangtok is the perfect deal for you. Facilities: eco-friendly, Wi-Fi, car hire, delicious food, doctor on call, accepts credit cards, cool/hot water, laundry service, luggage storage, power backup, tour planner, deluxe rooms and super deluxe rooms, complimentary Wi-Fi, tea/coffee maker, bottle of mineral water, guest toiletry packs, fresh fruits and flowers, attached bath with 24 hours hot and cold running water, complimentary newspaper and magazines, LCD televisions, intercom facilities, separate sitting area. Why choose Chaz Hotels? Our hotels are in best locations, cost-effective, great deals and offers, super comfortable rooms, multi-cuisine restaurant,